In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem if you're using Windows 11 and you are having problem with adding printer. So you're facing this kind of problem. Windows couldn't connect to the printer. Check the printer name and try again. If this is a network printer, make sure the printer is turned on and that the printer address is correct. So if you're facing this kind of problem and you are using Windows 11, then follow these steps that I'm going to show you and it should work perfectly. So to start with, let's go to let's go to our registry. How to do that? You click here, you type directly reg edit. So you have here your registry editor. You open your registry editor. So we're just going to follow. This is the third step. Let me show you the first step. So we go first to the first step. We have to perform each step here. So our first step would be to go to this location. Computer, we have here computer um, HK current system. So we're not going to click local machine. We're going to click current user, and then we go to software. Then after software, let's go to Microsoft. Microsoft, I have here, yeah. Click this one. Then we are in Microsoft. We go again to Windows NT. Windows NT here. Click this one. And the current version, we click the current version. Then we select Windows. Now, we right click the Windows and we click permissions. For this video, I have already done these steps, but I'm going to show you how to do it again. Here, if you can't find everyone here, you can click add and you type here everyone, and then you click OK. After clicking OK, it will be displayed here. When you click everyone, make sure that you click these two check boxes here, allow, and then click apply. Click everyone, click apply, and then OK. If you want, you can also click this one, allow, this one, restricted, system, my laptop, if you want to allow other users here. But in this case, just click everyone and make sure that these two check boxes are checked. Then you click apply and then OK. That's it for the step one. Let's go to the step two. Step two, or the second step. Okay, here. Let's go back to our registry editor. For our registry editor, this solution is very important if you are having problem with connecting to a network printer. If your network printer can be found, like for example, that printer is on another computer, and you want to access that printer on a network. But the thing is, it keeps asking you credentials like username and password. Even if you inputted the correct email and password, or user and password, it's still going to uh, ask you again and again. So in order to fix that, you can go here. Let's go to computer. Let's go back to our registry. We click our second step. Go back to our registry editor. Make sure that you are in this location. So we have here the local machine. Then the system, I have the current control set. And then we have the services. And then services, I'll go down to LAN. Let's see, landman workstation. Click that, and then you click parameters. So in this example, if you're having trouble with connecting to printer uh, on the network and it keeps asking you for credentials. In order to solve that, to fix that, you have to go in this location. Let's okay. In these parameters, you can right click here, you select new, and then you add a new D word, 32-bit volume. You type here, allow insecure guest off. And then you change the value to 1. So that solves your problem. This is for the second step. Now let's go to the third and final step. Third and final step. Yeah, we are here in the third final step. Okay. Let's go back to our registry editor. For the final step, we are to go computer, local machine, again, software. Then we go to policies. If you want to go directly there, you can click here and you click P. So we are here in our policies. Now policies, and then we go to Microsoft. Microsoft, and then we go to Windows NT, and this we go to printers. Now, if you don't have a printers folder here, what you're going to do is to make one. So you just right click, new, and then select key. And you type there printers. Make sure that it has the same spelling and capitalize the letter P. In my case, I don't have to do that because I made already a printer folder. So just gonna remove that. Then after making a printers folder, you can, in here, I already have 2 folders. You don't have to worry about point and print. You don't have to make that. It automatically makes a folder for that. What you're going to make here, you right click printers folder and you click new again key. Click key and then you rename the folder to RPC. If it's your first time to create a folder RPC, you won't see these things here. So what you're going to do is to create these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reg word files here. How are you going to do that? You're in your RPC folder, you right click, you click new, and again D word 32-bit, not the keyword, the D word. And after that, you rename it to the following names: RPC authentication. Make sure the spelling is correct. In my case, I don't have to do that because I already have these files. But if you don't have these files, you have to make them manually. So I'm going to press escape. I'm going to delete. Make sure that the value is set to its proper values for the RPC authentication with the value to 0. The RPC over named pipes. If you want to change the value, you double click the file, change this value type, and you press OK. So the value of RPC over named pipes is 1. For the RPC over TCP, the value is 0. RPC TCP port, the value is 0. And the RPC use named pipe protocol. Make sure that the spellings are correct. The value of this file is 1. And if you're done with these steps, you can go back. No need to restart. If you're done with the steps, no need to restart. You go back to adding your printers manually on your network and it should work perfectly. Let me know if this video helps you and if it works. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one.